Okay guys, follow me. Let me show you our new acquisition for Florida Family Outdoor. After probably 20 years buying whole boats, small boats, fixing boats, getting dirty, repairing boats, I finally can afford a brand new boat. The most important thing is that Florida Family Outdoor is going to make history in that boat. Come on, let me show you. It is a 22 HFC Sea Chaser. I'm going to power this baby with a 200 horsepower Suzuki 4-stroke. 5-year warranty on the motor. That's good. It has all the bells and whistles that we need, including Aaron right there, to go fishing, to go diving, to do everything we need to do. Welcome on board.